Kaya in a world of restlessness, dapat meron tayong stoicism. Yung being stoic means meron kang self-control, meron kang temperance, meron ka ding courage, at meron ka ring wisdom. Apat po ang rule ng stoicism. Stoicism yung wala kang pakialam sa outside world so that hindi ka na-stress. And there are 4 things na natutunan ko. And I would like to repeat that for all of you. Number 1, to be stoic and maprotektahan nyo yung sarili nyo from the daily stress. Ang kailangan nyo una, self-control, pigil. Number 2, kailangan nyo ay courage, tapang. Kailangan nyo ng wisdom. At kailangan din nyo ng justice. Wala ho kasing makikita tayong kompletong bagay kung walang hustisya. Kaya kailangan meron din ho nun. Well, then you have to have the courage to be disliked kasi hindi naman ho tayo pwedeng pag ho tayo tumatayo sa mga bagay-bagay, dapat meron tayong courage. Meron din ho tayong dapat na humility to accept things pagka tayo mali. But there are things that we should let go